Today in front of me Samsung Galaxy M23, and I'll show you all the box accessories with which our device comes. The first is that our Samsung Galaxy M23, and also here in the box we got the SIM tool, only the SIM tool, and in this paper box we got also the USB-C cable and some paperwork like the quick start guide and the warranty cards, I think. So that's it. There are all of box accessories with which our device comes. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.